Hey guys, welcome to Thoroughbred Nissan's Quick Tip. My name is Tony Goodman, and I'll be showing you how to reset a maintenance reminder light on a 2017 Nissan Murano. First thing needs to be done, click your start button a couple times. Once your dash turns on, scroll over. This is your little dial here. You're going to scroll over till you reach your settings. Once you get to settings, hit the OK button. You're going to go down to your maintenance, push down. You're going to choose your oil and filter, push down again. You can see there, you're going to scroll down to reset. We're going to go ahead and confirm, and you reset your maintenance reminder. What you need to do is just go hit the back button, and if you have a tire maintenance, you can go ahead and reset that as well. Confirm. Yes, and you are all set. That's how you reset the maintenance reminder light on the 2017 Murano. If there's any other videos you'd like to see, please comment below.